Unlock the power of data-driven real estate decisions with this comprehensive Propstream step-by-step tutorial that will turn you into a platform master. Let's dive right into Propstream, the ultimate tool for real estate investors, by starting with the heart of the platform, property searching. Once you're logged in, you'll see a prominent search bar in the center of your screen. You can begin by entering a specific address if you have one in mind, or you can start by searching an entire zip code, city, or even a county. Now, this is where Propstream truly shines. Don't just search, refine. After your initial search, a comprehensive list of properties will appear to truly zero in on what you're looking for. Utilize the search options. On the left-hand side, you can filter by property type to focus on single-family homes, condos, or even multi-family units, or narrow your search by ownership information, and even by estimated property value, giving you incredible control over your results. Clicking on any property in your search results will open its detailed profile here. You'll find a treasure trove of information, property characteristics like square footage and lot size, estimated market value trends, ownership history, and any potential equity. This is where you'll start understanding the true potential of each asset. One of the most powerful features for any investor is the comparable sales, or comps, analysis. Navigate to the Comps tab on a property's detail page. Propstream automatically pulls in recently sold properties in the vicinity, showing you their sale prices, dates of sale, and key features. This is critical for accurate property valuation and making informed competitive offers. Finally, to consolidate all your findings and present them professionally, Propstream offers robust reporting. Head to the Reports section. You can generate a variety of reports, including detailed property reports, ownership reports, and even marketing lists. Let's generate a property details report. To see how it compiles all the crucial data we've gathered, this report is perfect for sharing with partners, lenders, or even for your own records. And there you have it. From initial search to detailed analysis and professional reporting, you've just taken your first steps to mastering Propstream. Start leveraging these tools today and elevate your real estate investing game.